my name is Erica Steeves, product stylist and commercial photographer. Today I am in the studio and I am joined with Skincare for Weirdos. Really excited to start this creative shoot with a new client. It is like a beauty cosmetic. As you can tell, even just by the name, Skincare for Weirdos, you know that it's gonna be super fun, and we have a lot of really great ideas and concepts coming up. So stay tuned, let's get into today's video. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. A new video will be posted as often as I can. I am brainstorming and figuring out ways to start making this really a weekly thing. I have a lot of ideas. Really excited to be in the studio today and shooting with Skincare for Weirdos. I'm gonna take you and check all of this out, and I'm gonna kind of unbox everything that I brought for today's shoot. Because it's such a small product, you can get away sometimes with just using scrapbook paper size. So I have a bunch of different colors. I have all of these like acrylic risers, and I think it would be fun to do some shadow work with that. He provided me with these ones, and it is why I pulled the ones that I have. So I have these different stair ones, and then I have these cube ones as well. And I had found these secondhand, so always keep your eye out. We have fun acrylic hands. This is the product. You can see there's like holographic, so this should be fun for lighting. I'll need to pass the light on the side and not do direct lighting, so that to make sure you get all of the holographic. It has like the little candy hearts. This is the style of the patch. We have cute little candy heart themed accessories and a candy scoop. This is just some of the different merch. This is additional product if ever I want to do flat lay. We have packaging. I had this pink glass that I thought could maybe be interesting, like for a candy setup. We have this larger tray. Until I'm going to use it and place it, it has a plastic protective layer on it, as do all the other ones. And I can link these in Amazon or do a separate video about this, but these are all styling blocks that are foam, and I got them from Amazon. I really love that you can create lots of really cool shadows and things like this. Is what we're working with for tonight. Okay, so something that I learned a long time ago in the photography, I'm not sure if sometimes this comes across from you, but if you have packaging, see how this has that rainbow holographic? The trick to this, and it's gonna be for anything that has that iridescent holographic look, is you need to shoot direct and at an angle to be able to capture that in camera. So if you're bouncing to the ceiling and you're just doing a flat light, it's just gonna look gray. The way to make this shine and sparkle, it goes with like most glittery things, is I have my light right here beside me. I turned it down, but I have it going directly to this, and it's catching it on an angle to be able to make it really sparkle. You can see my setup here. I have the light pushing down, and the arc of it comes down and it illuminates this little guy. You can see here, just like, I love the Weirdos, how it has that gradient, and you can see everything is just popping. So that is the trick. Inversely, you can see I'm just pointing it up, and when I do that, it completely changes the holographic. So direct light from the side is perfect for holographic. Love creating designs with simple blocks. I've been really enjoying shooting with these risers. The client got them on Temu, but they are like iridescent, absolutely beautiful. I'm holding it from the side so I don't get so many fingerprints, so it'll be easier for editing. But these have been the star of the show. Very, very nice. All right, so that wraps up my shoot for this evening. I felt like I was just getting into the groove. Sometimes when you work with smaller businesses, you have to respect their budget, and as much as you want to do so much, there's only just a short period of time that you have. I was able to get a lot of really great content in a short period of time. I was really inspired, and I have so many more ideas for our coming shoots. I'm going to process them and get the client's feedback so that when I get back on set, I can just like dive right in without any hesitation. So if you liked this video this evening, I'd love it if you could give me a thumbs up, give me a comment below. If you have any questions, I'd love to help with that. As I start building more things on my channel, I really want to dive into product styling. I feel like I have a wealth of knowledge on how to design sets and how to place products in the frame. So stay tuned for more of this. If you have any questions about any particular products that you want help styling, I'd be more than happy to help with that. And as I said, I'm gearing up to make a lot of content. I have a lot of personal development that I'm going to be sharing with you. I might have to sit down and just do like a talking video to kind of get through some of it. But I have a lot of stuff weighing on my heart, and it's part of the reason why over the last few years, like, I haven't been able to grow this channel as much as I'd like, but I am hopeful for the future, really excited to get moving forward. I hope you enjoyed today's shoot, and remember, as a thank you, I always have my onboarding process where I share with you my A to Z onboarding process for new clients and how I usher them into becoming my dream clients. So I have templates and kind of breakdown of how I talk with them and like how I explain what my deliverables are and things like this. So if you'd love to grab that, it is in the link below. Anyway, until next time, keep shooting and having fun. Bye.